Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the clutter on your Android home screen? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring some of the best simple launcher apps that can help you streamline your device and enhance your user experience. These launchers focus on efficiency and customization, allowing you to create a clean and organized home screen. Let's get started and find the perfect launcher for your needs. Projectivy Launcher. Projectivy Launcher is a minimalist app launcher designed for users who prefer a clean and uncluttered home screen experience. This launcher focuses on simplicity, providing a streamlined interface that allows users to access their apps quickly. With customizable features, users can easily organize their favorite apps and create shortcuts for essential tasks. Projectivy offers a variety of themes and icon packs to further personalize the look of the launcher. Its gesture support allows for easy navigation, making it a perfect choice for those who want a fast and efficient way to access their apps without unnecessary distractions. Octopi Launcher. Octopi Launcher is another simple launcher option that emphasizes a user-friendly interface and straightforward functionality. This launcher offers a grid layout that efficiently organizes your apps, making it easy to find what you need with just a few taps. One of the standout features of Octopi is its customizable home screen, where users can add just the size and placement of app icons and widgets to suit their personal preferences. The app includes a built-in search bar for quick access to apps and settings, enhancing usability. Octopi Launcher is ideal for users who want to simplify their Android experience without sacrificing functionality. Orbit Launcher. Orbit Launcher is a unique and intuitive launcher that focuses on providing an easy-to-navigate interface with a circular app layout. This design makes it visually appealing and efficient, allowing users to quickly locate and open their apps. Orbit Launcher supports a variety of customization options, such as themes and icon pack compatibility, enabling users to personalize their launcher according to their style. The launcher's features include smart folders, allowing users to group similar apps and minimize clutter on their home screens. With its innovative design and straightforward functionality, Orbit Launcher is perfect for anyone looking to simplify their Android device while enjoying a fresh aesthetic. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best simple launcher apps helps you find the ideal solution for decluttering your Android device. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and tips. Which launcher are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time.